how to add a trusted place to keep your phone unlocked on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. From here, we go down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Then tap on extend unlock. From here, enter in the current PIN and tap on continued. Then tap on got it. Now tap on trusted places. Make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn this on. Then go down and tap on trusted places. Tap to set up. Then tap on the PIN, or you can use a fingerprint to unlock. Next, tap on add trusted place. And then manually put in the address. You can choose a location from the map. You can use one of the available address that you have in the address book here. And then tap on add. Okay, so now that we have added, so if you are at this particular location, your phone will stay unlocked. So here it says some settings. Use trusted places to determine when more security is needed. For example, when your device is away from your trusted places, like your home or office, some settings will require additional steps to verify that it's you. And that's it. That's how you can add in more places. Simply just tap on add trusted places to add in additional places. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.